children, how are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your course book. All of you open your course book. All of you open your course book. English course book, volume 2, page number 16. Page number 16. Just listen to me. Here, what is an adjective and what is an adverb? The difference between adjective and adverb is given. Here, what is the difference between adjective and adverb? Adjective will describe about the noun. Adjective will describe about the noun. For example, Ravali is a cute girl. Ravali is a cute girl. Amma, here cute. Cute described about the noun, about Ravali. ఎవరు క్యూట్గా ఉన్నారు? Who is cute? Ravali. So it is describing about the noun. Ravali is the noun. అవునా? So it is the adjective. Cute is the adjective. Cute is the adjective. Understand me? Next, Ravali made a tasty cake or nice cake. Nice cake. Ravali made a nice cake. Amma, here nice is the adjective. Sorry, nice is the adverb. Who is nice or what is nice? It is also, sorry Nana, nice is also a adjective. Ravali made a nice cake. What Ravali made? Cake. How is the cake? It's nice. Amma, here nice is describing about the cake. Cake also a noun. Cake also a noun. A thing name is called person names, places names and things names are nouns. Here cake also a noun. Here nice is describing about the cake. So that is a noun. A word which is described about the noun is called adjective. Nice also adjective. Nice also adjective. Here she sings nicely. She sings nicely. She sings nicely. How she sings nicely? Here nicely is the adverb. Why? This nicely is not describing about she. Not about Ravali. Here Ravali better. Ravali sings nicely. Nicely is the adverb. Nicely is describing about Ravali. Ravali చెప్పింది. Ravali nicely ఉన్నదా? అంటే ఈ nicely అనే వర్డ్ Ravali డిస్క్రైబ్ చేసిందా? Ravali గురించి చెప్పిందా? తన సింగింగ్ గురించి చెప్పిందా? She sings nicely. Nicely is described about her singing. Means about the verb. Nicely described about the verb. Nicely described about the verb. A word which describes about the verb is called a adverb. Is called an adverb. Nicely, it is an adverb. Beautifully. Here, Ravali's handwriting. Ravali writes. Ravali dance. Ravali dances beautifully. Ravali dances beautifully. Amma, beautifully described about Ravali or her dance. Ravali is beautiful here. No, Ravali's dance. About her dance. Ravali dances beautifully. This beautifully described about her dance. Means a verb. About the verb. A word which describes about the verb is called a adverb. Is called an adverb. So beautifully is an adverb. She is beautiful. Ravali is beautiful here. Ravali is beautiful. How is Ravali? Beautiful. Here beautiful described about Ravali. Beautiful described about Ravali. Ravali means noun. Word noun అయితే describe చేసేదేమో adjective. Noun describe చేసేది adjective. Verb describe చేసేదేమో adverb. Here beautiful is telling about her dancer. Here beautiful is telling about her. So this is the adjective, this is the adverb. Here nice is describing about the cake. So cake is a noun now, so that is the adjective. Here nicely is describing about her singer, about the verb, so that is the adverb. Okay, when we are changing the adjectives into adverb, sometimes we have to use ly. Here some of the changes when we are changing into adjective into adverb. Regular adverbs. Regular adverb. What are the regular adverbs? Only for the regular adverbs we have to add only ly to the adjective. Adjective is there now? For that adjective we have to add ly. Then they are the regular adverbs. Example, slow. Slow is an adjective. Slow is an adjective. If we want to change the adjective into adverb, we have to add ly only. Slow, slowly. This is the regular adverb. Slowly. Only we are adding ly. For the regular adverbs, we add only ly to the adjective. For the regular adverbs, we add only ly. Slow, slowly. Beautiful, beautifully. Beautiful, beautifully. This is also regular adverb because I add only ly to the adjective. Ly is added. Beautiful, beautifully. This is a regular adverb. Careful, careful, carefully. What is added? Only ly is added to the adjective. So this is the regular adverb. Next, violent, violent, violently, violently, violently. Ly is added to the adjective. What I added up? Only ly. If we add ly to the adjective to change into adverb form, the adverb is called a regular adverb. In the regular adverb, we add only ly. Beautiful, beautifully. Careful, carefully. Neat, neatly. Loud, loudly. Patient, patiently. Slow, slowly. Only we add ly to the adjective to form into adverb. Okay? These are the regular adverbs. Next, other adverbs. What are the other adverbs? There are no change. Fast, fast only. Adjective is faster. Adverb also fast. No change. Fast, fast only. Hard, hard. Late, late. Early, early. Daily, daily. These are other adverbs. Hard, hard only. Late, late. They won't be changed. Early, early only. Next, daily, daily. When we are changing into adverb form, they won't be changed. Okay? Next, one more adverbs. Good. Good is the adjective. Good is the adjective. What is the adverb? Good is adjective. Well is the adverb. Well, good, well. Well is the adjective. These are the different types of changing of adverbs. A lonely girl. She is a lonely girl. An elderly person. Her only friend is an elderly person. These are the adverbs. Okay. Now, if you take your workbook, page number. Open your workbook, page number 12. Open your workbook, volume 2, page number 12. Acorn and oak. Why was the acorn sad? Why it was sad? Why the acorn felt sad? Acorn is a flower. Sorry, fruit. Fruit of a oak tree. Acorn is a fruit of a oak tree. Why it is feeling sad? Why it is feeling sad? It felt that I am so small. When do I when do I become as big as the oak tree? Oak tree and the పెద్దగా నేను ఎప్పుడు అవుతానా అని వర్రీ అవుతుంది. అవునా? Read out the answer. The acorn was sadder because it thought that it will never become as big and stronger as the oak tree. It felt that it never become. Means in her future it won't become as big and as strong as the oak tree. Oak tree anta peddaga kaanu ani worry avutundi. The acorn was sad because it thought that it will never become as big and strong as the oak tree. Comment your answer. Next, what did the oak tree say to the acorn? What did the oak tree said? It convinced. Don't worry, one of the day you will become as like me. Why I also felt like you whenever I was small. నేను కూడా చాలా చిన్నగా ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను కూడా ఇలాగే వర్రీ అయ్యేదానని కన్విన్స్ చేస్తుంది అవునా. రెడ్ ఆఫ్ the oak tree convinced the oak tree convinced and assured giving surety assured the acorn the oak tree convinced and assured the acorn that eventually means one of the day eventually it would also become as big and stronger as the oak tree The oak tree convinced and assured the acorn that eventually it would also become as big and stronger as the oak tree. One of the day you should become as like me. నువ్వు కూడా నా అంత పెద్దగా ఎప్పుడో అవుతావు అని చెప్తుంది. What are your answers? Next one. Amma, I'm ready. Rubbing the first answer. Do you think the acorn was satisfied at the end? It was satisfied? Yes, it was satisfied. S Y S S. I think the acorn. Was satisfied at the end. I think the acorn was satisfied at the end. I'm wrapping second answer. Next, describe an acorn in your own words. Have you seen the acorn fruit? This is the acorn fruit. We have to say about the fruit. An acorn is brown. Acorn is brown in color. Acorn is brown in color and is oval shaped and is oval shaped. It looks like a nut. It look like a nut only, not like a fruit. It's look like a nut and it's a top shape. It's a top shape. Resemble a cup. It is looking like a cup. Resembles a cup. See Nana, it is looking like a cup at the top place. A cone is brown in color and oval shaped. It looks like a nut and its top shape resembles a cup. It is looking like a cup. World cup la కనబడుతుంది చూసారా? Today's class is completed. Complete your notes. Bye.